kept in a box by a cockney nut job. Have a cup of tea, have a cup of tea, I'm the hitcher. Let me put you in the picture, creeping in your room in the dead of night with my solo polo vision. I'm a cockney geezer, watch me bleed you. I knew the ripper when he was just a nipper. I taught him how to slice, I cut him up a tree. Found your banana, found your banana, found your banana. 40 shillings for your melon.
Oh yeah. We're the Piper twins, switching with Jackie Piper. We cut through the night like a windscreen, wiping you away.
Meanwhile, the troublemaker is made to sprint blindfold to Jackson's office, where he receives a speaking down.
That is my big shiny shoe, and you are the biggest piece of shit on it. Sir. Lick yourself off my shoe. Lick yourself off my shoe. That's my shoe! Don't actually do it! Where's your self-recocking spect?
I don't know, sir.
Get out!
Sir.
Now!
Sir.
Look at me! Get out!
Don't mess with the boys.
Shut your noise, coming in strong like a freak show nightmare. Dancing skeletons, white, blue and yellow ones, moving through the shadows with the speed of a cat. And if you cross us, we'll catch ya. I bear choo-choo, I use voodoo if I choose to. I harness the forces of evil to abuse you with power. Apollo, an evil magnet, we're sucking up your soul. You ain't gonna like that.
Lately I feel so small, or maybe it's just that my bed has grown. I never noticed it before, but you were there, so how was I to know that this single bed was always meant for two? Not just anyone, it was meant for me and you. Now you're halfway around the world, and I'm just a day behind. Nothing seems to fill the hole that I have since you left my side. You'll always be my little girl, though I can't hold you tonight. And now you're halfway around.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And I'm just a